We're we're making microwave cookies with that Toll House raw chocolate chip cookie dough. And this is what happens when you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. It ends up looking like that and smells like burnt popcorn. I'm sure it's good though, but yeah.
This one's going in for 1-3-0. Shoot, golly gee, burn a candle.
I opened the window. I wonder if anybody else has ever tried to bake cookies in the microwave.
Don't eat that crap.
I'm eating it. Hopefully this one will be better.
Yeah, he's in trouble.
Yeah. This is a microwave our Aunt Margie got us. Well, it was one of her neighbors. We like it. We haven't had a microwave since we lived in Hagerstown back in when we first moved to Hagerstown back in 2018 to 2023. Mom also made a meatloaf in it today for the first time. We haven't had meatloaf in a long time. Yeah. So this is what microwavable cookies looks like. It's almost done. Yeah. So if you're ever going to make microwave cookies, only do it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Don't do it for 3 minutes.
No. Don't do that for a few minutes.
Who needs an oven?
Well.
Looks edible.
Let's see.
Try it. Let me turn the light on first. Huh? Yeah, because it's kind of hard to see. Well, not kind of, but. Is it doughy?
A little maybe.
I know what. You know what would make it hard? Put it in the fridge.
No.
Is it better than?
Yeah. Better than stinking over there.
Yep. I'm gonna call this microwave cookies. Yeah, that other smells like burnt popcorn. Oh, we gotta get ready to watch The Masked Singer in a little bit. It's on for 2 hours tonight. Today is 5/7/2025. Wednesday, obviously. And I'm gonna try to eat this.
Oh, it'll make you sick.
Well, any last word, old bird?
The only thing's good is that.
What is it?
Those two.
Oh, yeah.
No, bye.
Bye.